Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem, that is a squared minus 2 times ab minus b is equal to 8. So here we have to find the value of a and value of b. But remember that this a and b belongs to integer. Now starting our solution, our problem is a squared minus 2 times a times b minus b is equal to 8. So here we see that a squared minus 2ab minus b, and if we just take common from this second and third term, which is b, so a squared minus, if we are going to take b is common, then we get 2a, and minus time minus is plus 1, so 2a plus 1, which is equal to 8. Now if we multiply both hand side by this 2, so we have 2 times a squared minus b times 2a plus 1 is equal to 2 times 8. So here we have 2 times a is 2a squared minus here 2 times b is 2b times 2a plus 1, which is equal to 2 times 8 is 16. Now that 2a squared minus 2b, so if we just add and subtract a on both hand side, not both hand side but just only on our left hand side, so adding and subtracting a on left hand side, so here we have that 2a squared, it is plus a and minus a, we have just added and subtracted a on our left hand side, so here it will be minus 2b times 2a plus 1 is equal to 16. Here we have, if we just make a group here, so we just take a as common, then we get 2a plus 1, and here it is minus 2b times 2a plus 1, and this minus a we can write here, which is equal to 16. Now here we are going to just multiply 2 again on both hand side, so multiplying both hand side by 2, here we get 2 times, here we have 2 times, that is a times 2a plus 1 minus 2b times 2a plus 1 minus a is equal to 2 times 16. So now here we can write this 2 times, here we have 2a plus 1, so 2a plus 1 times, here we just write 2a plus 1 is common term, so it is a minus 2b, then here we just write minus a is equal to 32. So it can be written as that 2 times this one we get 2 times 2a plus 1 times a minus 2b, and this minus time plus is minus, 2 times a is minus 2a, which is equal to 32. Now here we are going to just subtract 1 on both sides, so we get 2 times 2a plus 1 a minus 2b minus 2a, and this minus 1 subtracting here on our left hand side, and similarly subtracting here on our right hand side. So here we have this 2 times 2a plus 1 times a minus 2b, and if we take that 1 is common, then we have minus time minus is plus 2a, this minus time minus is plus 1, which is equal to 31. Now here we see that this 2a plus 1 and this 2a plus 1, it is common term, so we just take 2a plus 1 is common, then inside bracket we have 2 times a minus 2b, and here we get minus 1, which is equal to 31. Now 2a plus 1 times this 2 times a is 2a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to 31. So now here we see that here we have actually we have to just factorize this 31. So if we just write that this 31 is equal to, if you multiply 1 times 31, it is a factor of 31. And similarly we have 31 times 1, so 31 times 1 is also equal to 31. Similarly, we have minus 1 times minus 31, which is equal to minus times minus is plus 31, and we have minus 31 times minus 1. So here we have four different cases. Four cases here. We are going to just solve this equation by using these four cases here. So here we have our four cases. Let's say our case number 1. Here it is our case number 1, which is 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4b minus 1, which is equal to first case is 1 times 31. And similarly we have case second, that is our case number 2 is 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to, it is 31 times 1. Now our case number 3 is 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to minus 1 times minus 31. So our final case, which is case number 4, it is given by the 2a plus 1. Here we have case number 4, that is 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to minus 31 times minus 1. So these are our four cases. We have to solve individually case number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now starting our case 1. So our case number 1 is, that is case number 1. It is given by, here we have 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to, here it is 1 times 31. So we just write 1 times 31. So it is our case number 1. Now here by system of equation, 2a plus 1 is equal to 1 and 2a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to 31. So here 2a is equal to, shifting this plus 1 to our right hand side, we get minus 1, then 1 minus 1 will be 0. So dividing 2 on both hand side, we have a is equal to 0. Here we get first value of a, which is 0. Now if we just put this value of a in this equation, then we get, here we have 2 times a is 0. A is 0, putting here, minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 31. So minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 31. Here we get 2 times 0 is 0. So minus 4b is equal to 31 plus 1, we have 32. Now dividing minus 4 on both hand side, here we have this negative sign cancelled, 4 with 4. So we have value of b, which is equal to 4 times 8 is 32. So we have b is equal to minus 8. So in first case, we have value of a and b is, that value of a and b is equal to 0 and minus 8. So it is our value of a and value of b. Now we are going to just solve case number 2 here. So case 2 is 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to, that is 31 times 1. 31 times 1. So it is our case number 2. 31 times 1. Here 2a plus 1 is equal to 31 by system of equation, that is equal to 31. and 2a minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 1. Here we have 2a is equal to 31 minus 1. So 2a is equal to 30, and dividing 2 on both hand side, cancelling 2 with 2, we get value of a is 15. Value of a is 15. Now if we are going to put this 15 here, then we get 2 times 15 minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 1. Here we get 30 minus 1 minus 4b is equal to 1. So we have 30 minus 1 is 29, so minus 4b is equal to 1. This 31 minus 1 is 29, plus 29 will be minus 29. So here we have minus 4b is equal to minus 28, cancelling negative signs on both hand side, dividing by 4, we get value of b is equal to 7, because 4 sevens are 28. So here we have another two values of a and b, that is value of a is 15 and b is 7. Now we are going to solve our case number 3 here. That case number 3 is, actually it is that 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to that minus 1 times minus 31. So here we have minus 1 times minus 31. Now 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 1, and 2a minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to minus 31. So here we have 2a is equal to minus 1, and this plus 1 will be minus 1, so we get minus 2, and here value of a will be minus 1. Value of a will be minus 1. Now putting this value here, then we get 2 multiplied by minus 1, and here it is minus 1. 4 times b is equal to minus 31. So 2 times 1 is minus 2, and minus 1 is minus 3. So minus 4b is equal to minus 31. This minus 3 will be positive 3 here on our right hand side. So minus 4 times b is equal to, here we have minus 28. Minus 28. So cancelling negative signs on both hand side, we get the value of b is equal to 7. So here our next pair of AB is minus 1 times and 7. Minus 1 and 7. Now we are going to just solve our case number 4 here. So our case 4 is 2a plus 1 times 2a minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to, that is minus 31 times minus 1. Minus 31 times minus 1. So here we have minus 31 times minus 1. Now this 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 31, and 2a minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So here we have 2a is equal to minus 31. This plus 1 will be minus 1. So we have minus 32. Dividing 2 on both hand side, we get a is equal to minus 16. A is equal to minus 16. So here we have value of a. Similarly, putting value of a here, then we get 2 times minus 16 minus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So here minus 4b is equal to this minus 1, and here we have minus 32. Minus 32 minus 1 is minus 33. So 33 shifting to our right hand side, we get plus 33. Now minus 4 times b is equal to plus 32. Dividing this minus 4 on both hand side, we get 4 8s are 38, 32, 4 8s are 32, so we get minus 8. Here value of b is minus 8. So our final value of a and b is, a is minus 16 and b is minus 8. Now we are going to just write our final answer here. So our final answer is, we have actually 4 pair of values, that is our a, and b is equal to our first value is from case 1, which is 0 and minus 8. Similarly, from case 2 we have that is 15 and 7, 15 and 7, and from case 3 we have minus 1 and 7, and from case 4, which is minus 16 and minus 8. Here we have all possible pairs of A and B. So that's it for today. We have just done our problem here by using different techniques. So I hope that you have understand all these steps one by one. Now, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.